What's up guys? Welcome to this week's video.
For this week's video, we really should be wearing like lab coats because we're getting into a little science experiment. We're going to be taking these forks and gold plating them so that eventually they look like this.
So we did this one earlier just like as a test run to see how it would look.
And it's 24 karat gold, so we're going to be making all of our silverware, well, just our forks, 24 karat gold, and also our fingernail clippers, so stay tuned.
Each of these different colored liquids has a different purpose. Like this one cleans it, this one kind of like primes it, and this one is straight up liquid gold, even though it's purple. And then these ones are just rinsing water. Everything that you dip has to be stainless steel. This little clip is a negative charge, and this is a positive charge. And together, when I put this in the water, it'll make a complete circuit. So before you put this in these, you want to make sure that they're clean, so we washed it with soap. Put this right here. And this is gonna fizz up real nice as it cleans it up.
Like an hour and a half. You can put it right up against the glass. Plastic.
Stainless steel is usually hydrophobic, and this yellow pea-colored water is going to make it hydrophilic, which means water will stick to it because we want these two to stick to it so that it'll be gold plated. Now you take it out and you put it in here, and we'll go into here. And then we change the volts on here. 9, am I done?
18 seconds.
This pink stuff is kind of like a primer when you're painting. Like sanded everything down and then put a little bit of gold onto it just so that it's more receptive when we put it in the real. And then we change the volts on here one more time. Now here comes the real gold. As it's sitting in this purple liquid gold, it's completing a circuit, remember, because of this and this. And all of the gold ions are just sticking to the stainless steel.
So let us know if you had this available, what you would plate with gold. Just from some of the tests, there's a knife here, so that's cool. There's a random piece of metal, pretty cool. So I don't know how many of you would ever be interested in buying this whole setup, but it's linked below if you want to check it out. It's about 1,300 bucks.
You can get it on Amazon. So far, we've done 4 forks. One of them is not the same size as the other ones, but that's okay. But they're all relatively the same amount of gold on all of them, just the handles is gold.
Okay, so hopefully these work. We don't actually know if they are stainless steel, but it's just the same steps as the fork. It's funny how we're taking probably the most useless thing that we have in our house and
It's not useless.
And plating it with 24 karat gold. And drop this down to 7.5. 18. Oh, do I did fit in this one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Wow. If you come close and look, all of it is gold except for the like part that actually cuts your nails. So everywhere else is 100% plated except right there, and that's probably just because they use a different metal right there, something stronger. Kind of cool. But now they're gold. So this is the fingernail clipper that we just plated with 24 karat gold. This is the kind of set that it came in. You can see the difference. It looks pretty sweet. It'd be kind of cool to do all of them, but we're not going to do that today. So boom. Looks pretty cool.
Well guys, now we have gold utensils and
for no reason. Just because, why not?
Why not? If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.
We'll see you next time.